Alright, good morning to everyone out there. Today's date is December 15th, 2010. This will be a really short video, like under 3 minutes. Here's current temperatures around the regions. Single digits, 4 degrees up in Jefferson, 8 in Boone, Johnson City 6, and somewhere in there 3 degrees up in the mountains. Hot Springs. Hot Springs seems to be a cold place. 12 here in Statesville, 13 in Salisbury. They dropped down to 9 earlier this morning. Morganton, it doesn't have the temperature on here, but they dropped down to 7. Charlotte 17, surrounding areas in the middle, lower to mid-teens, okay? That's all I want to show you on there. What I want to show you here is our developing weekend system and our system for tomorrow. You can see our weekend system's a whole lot bigger than this little bit of precip coming in for tomorrow. Timing is key on this system. Here's what I think will play out. Okay, let me go ahead and pull it up for you. Alright. Thursday's weather event. Well, okay, there we go. Alright. You see the county shaded in blue. That's where you got more of a chance of seeing a little more snow, and you're going to see mainly a wintry mix, but that's the areas that are going to have more of the headache for ice and stuff. And right here is the main threat in the Piedmont and foothills right here for ice. We won't see much snow, maybe just a dusting. I'm keeping my original idea, but I am going to back off the ice a little bit, but I've already got it at 0.15, so can't back off that much. But it'll be spotty. Some places might not even get anything. Some places might get an inch or two of snow and then a quarter inch of ice. We'll just have to see. Iredell County is such a big county that I think some parts Thursday morning will be icy on the roads, and we're talking about ice, so it doesn't take much to get the roads to be slick. The roads are freezing cold right now, considering it hasn't gotten above freezing since Sunday. And then mainly rain to our south. Okay, this is Thursday's map, and I think down here just very little ice, trace of ice, and it changes to rain by about 9. I think here in the red zone changes to rain about 10, maybe 10:30, with a trace of ice and about a dusting of snow, say. And then as you go up here, you could be talking about a quarter inch of ice and maybe an inch of snow or so, inch or two of snow. Looks like a predominantly ice event. If you don't have rain, then it's a rain event. And then the further north you go into Virginia, they're going to see the snow. Alright, this is my map that I've drawn up. Did it not save right? Hold on. Here we go. Alright, well, it's not wanting to save. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Alright, this is the map I've drawn for Saturday. It's way early. These bands could shift. We might not even see it. Okay, it's way out there. Okay? Here's the deal. If this, I think we will see snow this weekend. I'm going to go ahead and say that. I think we will see snow this weekend. We will... How much is the question. Okay? If it takes a closer to coast track, and the 0Z GFS and 6Z GFS, I'm pretty sure, backed off of the idea of it coming up the coast, I still think it's going to. So I think this is just a kind of trend in the modeling today, and then it'll go back later on this week. That's my opinion, dealing with negative tilted troughs and everything like that. And so I think that we've got the chance for this upper one to play out. How much snow? Now, you can see, well, it looks like these areas would get the most snow if it's closer to the coast, and these, and then lighter back here. Well, we got to look at the cold air, too, because we're not going to have an immense amount of cold air with this system, okay? So, my ideas, as of now, is Outer Banks, part of it just stays primarily rain. This is the coastal track. Alright, areas in here, 1 to 3, areas in here, 2 to 4, areas in here 3 to 5, including Iredell County, and then you go back 2 to 4, 1 to 3. Mountains, you might get a little more. And then, but if it takes it off to sea, I think we'll only see about a dusting, and then maybe 1 to 2 inches through a strip right here, and then predominantly rain down here. Okay? We'll have to see. I'll keep you updated. I tried to keep this video short. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, ISS. I told you I'd make my final delay call this morning. I'm making it. I think we will. Okay. Don't get mad at me if this doesn't play out, because timing is key, and if this precip moves in a little later, we could already be in school, but we'll have to see. I think area schools, some will be closed, some will be delayed. I think ISS proper will be delayed. Okay, I did say that, but don't get all excited, yay, 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 but there's time for it to change, still today, but I do think we'll be on a delay tomorrow. We'll have to see. If anything drastically changes, I'll tell you tonight, and I'll make my final delay call tonight. So, alright, that's it. Have a good day, and God bless you. I'm sorry.